What do you remember happening next?
I just remember, like, hearing, like, just, like, the boom, the bang of the gun, and then I remember just looking up and seeing, like, another white car just like, coming directly towards us. Like, I remember lifting up my head real quick and just boom, and I can't tell if it was before or after, but I just remember, like, trying to just get him up. Like, I was the only one who, out of everybody there, I was trying to help him. And I was trying to push on his chest and call his name. And he wasn't answering me. He was just gasping, like just take breaths of air. So